All of this is completely unnecessary. Yo, what is going on, you guys? It's Andrew back with another video, and I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing video clip at the beginning. I'm trying to do a little bit of a different format when it comes to unboxings. I'm just trying to do something a little bit different with unboxings on this channel, especially if they're going to be non-sneaker related like this one was. What I like about this is I get the footage of the unboxing, but I also get to take a look at the product, see what the details are, and then I can talk about it a little bit more. So if you liked it, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you didn't, let me know why. So like I said, it lets me take a look at each product and kind of go off of that rather than the traditional talk about it while I'm unboxing it. We're gonna go into each individual thing that I unboxed and talk about it a little bit more. First and foremost is the Uncivilized Larry David. It says Uncivilize Your Enthusiasm on the front. Obviously, Curb Your Enthusiasm Season 10 did premiere. If you guys don't know, I'm a big fan. If you guys haven't seen it before, I definitely recommend you watch it. Anyway, the guys at the workshop, Mr. Fomer Simpson and Young Buckets, came out with this commemorative tee to celebrate the Season 10 premiere, and being on the friends and family list, I was able to get my size. Going into the next product, because I don't already own enough black clothing or black tops, we have the latest from Crystalia. This is the black version of the Life Rips hoodie, and ooh, it looks a little bit big. I think I might have gotten a size too big, but this is the black Life Rips hoodie. For those of you who don't know, I may or may not have worn one in the video. It was a tie-dye Life Rips hoodie. For those of you who don't know Crystalia, he's a comedian, he's hilarious. I love his podcast, I love his, well, I love pretty much everything he does, and so the Life Rips hoodie in black was something I definitely had to get my hands on. The tie-dye one, it's an all-over tie-dye, kind of to match the lettering there that you could see. It's all over that color, and the letters are in purple or pink, I can't remember. Anyway, I had to get my hands on the black one because black hoodies, you really can't go wrong with those. And then finally, the most unexpected large package that came in today was the Joann Fabrics picture frame that I bought specifically for this. Now, for those of you who have never bought frames before, they don't typically come in a box that wide, and I thought it was a bit excessive, so I don't know what Joann Fabrics is doing, but try to fix that. The best part is it did come with a bunch of bubble wrap, and I use that to package up shoes that I sell, so that's going to be reused. However, let's get right into what I framed. So, as you guys can see here, this is a print of a painting done by Mahasattva on Instagram. For those of you who don't know, I'm a big fan of his work. I have a lot of his work actually right off to the side there. I have a couple of prints off to the side there. These are Mac Miller album covers that he did oil painting recreations of. He took his own style and ran with it, and I'm a big fan of these, so I have all these three framed. I don't have a space to hang them up yet, but they will be hung up as soon as I can find one. I have this one framed as well. This is from the movie Happy Gilmore. For those of you who haven't seen it, I highly recommend you watch it. This is, what I want to say is The Price is Wrong, bitch. I mean, I don't know what he would call this, but it does have his signature logo there in the bottom left corner. Now the glare is kind of annoying. You've got Adam Sandler in the Bruins jersey, squaring up with Bob Barker here on the golf. You got the alligator in the back and some dude wearing a throwback Pepsi crew neck. So I think I'm gonna call this type of video mail day because these products all came at a different time. If you saw in the clips at the beginning, the print actually came in a tube. The frame came afterwards because I had to measure the print and make sure that it was the right size. Luckily it was. I was afraid that this frame might have been a little bit big and there'd be a white border around, which wouldn't have been a big deal. The Mac Miller ones have that same border, but luckily this one worked out perfectly because sending all that back would have been a pain in the ass. And that's where I'm gonna wrap up this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, comment below what you guys think, and of course subscribe for more content. Be on the lookout for the next sneaker unboxing video. I actually don't know when that's gonna be. I did pick up a pair of Nike IDs, or Nike by You is what it's called now. I do have a pair of those on the way, but those are about 5 weeks out, so I might forget about it and then do an unboxing when that time comes. And of course, as always, thank you for watching. This is Andrew signing off. Peace.